I'm going to start off by slicing my bread into a square, cutting out the middle part of the bread, just like that. When done, I'm going to move over to the stove top, and on medium high flame I'm going to place a pan, add some oil, just a little bit. Next I'm going to place my bread on the pan, and then I'm going to crack in 1 egg for each toast. I'm going to scramble up a little bit. Then I'm going to add in assorted peppers and onion, just like that. Some salt for seasoning and a little touch of black pepper. At this point I'm using very low flame because I don't want my eggs to burn. So I'm going to wait for 1 minute and then I'm going to flip. Next I'm going to place some cheese on top. This one for this toast I'm going to add some cheddar cheese, and then for this one I'm going to add some mozzarella cheese, just like that. And then I'm going to place the toast back on top. And then I'm going to flip. Just look at that. And then I'm going to let the other side cook or toast, because we have placed bread on the other side, and also we want the egg to cook on the other side. So I'll give this about a minute because I'm using low flame. Flip my egg. Wow, just look at that color. This is just perfection. So I'm going to transfer mine to a plate. Just look at that. And then I'm going to do several more.